In this video, I will show you how to download and install Telegram on your laptop or PC running Windows 11. First things first, open up any web browser you prefer. In the search bar at the top of your browser window, type in Download Telegram. Once the search results appear, look for the first link that reads Telegram Desktop. Make sure it has this exact URL, desktop.telegram.com. Click on that link. This will take you directly to the official Telegram download page. Now, locate the button that says Get Telegram for Windows x64. Click on this button. Your download should start automatically. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder or check at the top of your browser where you'll find the downloaded file. Click on the downloaded Telegram installer file to open it. At this point, an installation wizard will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. The first step is selecting your preferred language from a drop-down menu. Once you've made your selection, click OK. If you wish to change the default installation location of Telegram, click Browse and navigate to your desired folder. However, for this tutorial, let's stick with the default location by clicking Next. Click Next. Next up is an option for creating a desktop shortcut for easy access later. If you want this convenience, leave it checked and click Next. Now it's time to install. Click on Install and wait as Telegram sets itself up on your system. When installation finishes successfully, click Finish to exit out of the installer. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Telegram on your Windows laptop or desktop. If you already have a Telegram account set up on your phone, simply scan the QR code displayed using your mobile app. Alternatively, you can log in using your phone number by entering it into the provided field and following prompts sent via SMS. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.